Today I'm talking dust, chips and pellets for barbecue smoking. Which one comes out on top? Stick around and see. Welcome to the Barbecue Walk of Flame, everyone. And yes, it's all about smoke. It started when I picked up this tray of tomahawk smoking dust from the bargain shelf at my local garden centre. Less than half price. Must be last year's stock. How does it compare with wood chips and pellets? This is what I found. Let's start with the wood chips. These are readily available in various woods, each giving off a different smoke. This is the first material I used in my smoker box way back when I first got my Weber Q. What I don't like about wood chips is that they have to be pre-soaked in water before use, and then they take forever and a day to self-ignite. I've known it go to an hour. Just think of all that gas being used just to get smoke. Wood pellets, which are basically sawdust compressed into pellets, and are used in pizza ovens and pellet grills. There's no need to soak them, and they self-ignite after about 10 minutes. They can be used in the smoker box, and I have this little cast iron pot which I prefer. It should be used to serve an individual portion of stew or casserole. Take the lid off and it makes a great little smoker pot, which doesn't take up too much space on the grill. As you can see, it gives off loads of smoke and fills the air with that unmistakable aroma of barbecue. And very often it's still smoking when I've finished cooking. And so onto the wood dust. First, remove the film seal. And place on a hot grill. It's recommended not to exceed 205 degrees C. I did expect this dust to ignite quickly, but I was wrong. It took 25 minutes to get to this stage. It took a further 10 minutes to reach what I call smoking. To sum up, wood chips give plenty of smoke and a nice subtle flavour to the food, but having to pre-soak them and then wait ages before you see that first puff of smoke is certainly a bit of a faff. Wood pellets, on the other hand, for me, tick all the boxes. They give ample smoke, are quick to ignite, have a strong aroma with just a hint of that smoky flavour. As for the dust, it took longer than I anticipated to ignite and didn't give me the 20 minutes of smoke as claimed. However, the mixture of beechwood and spices gave an interesting aroma and an unmistakable smoky flavour. Had I have paid full price, this would have been an expensive bit of smoke. For me, I'll stick with the pellets. The smoke from this dust hasn't been wasted. I've cooked some really tasty chicken. Check out the video on this channel, Smoky Barbecued Chicken. If you haven't yet subbed my channel, then what are you waiting for? All you have to do is click the button below, activate and ding the bell, and I love to receive a thumbs up. So that's all for now. From me, the old geezer at the grill, the dude with the food, it's goodbye and thanks for watching.